Hello friends, Running Kimono here. In today's video we are talking about the cheap deodorant deals over at Walgreens. This has to do with clearance, so it's always a your mileage may vary, but I would really recommend to go to the store to investigate. It's a lot easier than putting stuff into a curbside basket. A lot of us have been having issues with the old app this week, so go to store for this deal. First one we're going to talk about is the Shea Moisture for $5.49. It's like a tube and it's called the Whole Body Deodorant. You're looking for any deodorant in the $5 neighborhood, and this will be explained here in a second. So a lot of these, up to 50% off, but it's this little tube and you can use it anywhere on your body, and I think a lot of us really enjoyed this one. Not very popular with other shoppers. I don't know, there's tons of deodorants that are cleared out right now, and we'll investigate that more in a second. But we're going to load this coupon, which is a 10 off a 2. This was a loadable a couple of weeks back, so hopefully you loaded it. I didn't do a Shea Moisture deal, so I still have one in one of my accounts. Grabbing 2 of these on clearance, it's $10.98. That 10 off 2 digital coupon will apply. Your total must be $10 or more for the digital to apply. You'll pay 98 cents for the 2 or 49 cents per deodorant. You have to find 2 of them. So even if you find the very cheap and find a different one, perhaps that's a way around the deal. But this will get cleared very quickly because it is such a hot deal to pay 49 cents for these deodorants. I mean, that's just fantastic. The next deal that we're going to look at that's very cheap, if you look 12 o'clock, see there's one that's $4.99. So it's 50% off. It's the Aqua Bergamot Axe deodorant. Honestly, just the perfect item to throw in a Christmas stocking for any guy out there. Actually, I've been known to even wear men's deodorant. I think it's just, some of it's really nice. So we're going to load our best friend, which is a 6 off a 2. And yes, it is attaching. Okay, so 2 of those Axe deodorants on clearance, their BOGO 50% off is $7.48. Subtracting that 6 off a 2 digital, you're going to pay $1.48 for the 2 or 74 cents per deodorant. And I think the original price was like $10. So that's some tremendous savings. And again, there's a bunch of different deodorants. You're either going to look for items that are $10 or more for the Lady Shea Moisture, or $6 in that neighborhood for the Axe. And Axe is bringing up BOGO 50% off. Lots of other deodorants are just a couple of dollars off right now. We also have tear pads at some stores. That's on the left-hand side. You just tear one of those coupons off and present it to the cashier. And for that tear pad, it's for dry sprays only, and it includes Dove, men and women, and the Degree ones. So any sort of Dove should work with that, hopefully, or you might have digital coupons that apply. Don't be shy to look on IBOTTA too. I know that this vitamin care for the longest time is a nice little rebate to go with on IBOTTA. And I know also that with Fetch Rewards, they have a spend 20, get back 5 on Unilever products, Axe included. Unfortunately, guys, Walgreens is not included. I know that it's like at my Meijer grocery store and stores like that, so just be mindful of that. The Native deodorant, and this is from the company P&G, believe it or not. We have a $4 digital, and it's a $4 reward when you buy 2. At $10.99, this is still kind of rich for me, but when it goes below $10.99, I have a $4 off coupon, and if I get $4 back when I buy 2, this potentially could be a deal. I do love this deodorant. And then we have the Old Spice, only a couple of bucks of savings, like $1.20 or $2.20. If higher value coupons pop up, possibly a deal. And we have the Secret Aluminum Free at 50% off at $5.49. Again, I want some high value coupons to go with these, and as these orange tags are there, hopefully high value coupons show up. And this Venus exfoliant, 50% off too. And the Walgreens, it's like some replacement blades, an 8 count for $4.99. So they're trying to clear out a lot of this shaving stuff. So don't be shy to look down that aisle with the shaving stuff and the deodorant. Lots of makeup is also clearing out towards the end of the year. A lot of these manufacturers will discontinue colors or possibly change the packaging, or maybe even shrinkflate these products if that's even possible. But I noticed there's quite a few of these orange clearance tags in these aisles, and lots of the shampoo as well. Typically with shampoo, it's going to be one of these Saturdays in the next couple of weeks where everything will be 90 and then it'll get cleared very quickly. And the last item that I saw that was pretty cheap. And also be on the lookout if you like Prime drinks, hydration drink. One is in Glowberry, which is the Halloween flavor, and there was a whole lot at my store. And the other one is X, and they were 79 cents from 2.49. So it's like this weird, like 68% off, but still an item to grab if you use a lot of it. And before I take off, guys, starting on Friday the 15th, Dollar General is having their clearance event where there's an additional 50% off. Now, I know a lot of us are all about meat and potato deals, detergent specifically. When you get dryer sheets, scent beads, and wax melts for 30 cents or free, this is something that you might want to investigate, even if you are a very staunch pharmacy shopper, to go to the Dollar General and look for some of these items. 60 count Gain Flings. I mean, that's just absolutely fantastic. So I will link this video at the very end. I really recommend you watch it if you love all things detergent at the Dollar General. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.